This is my breakfast. I got 4 eggs. It's just egg and spinach. I season my egg with black salt, black pepper, black salt, black pepper, and regular white salt or sea salt. And I'm making a tuna egg sandwich for our breakfast. This is it. So this is the tuna. Put some spinach in there. This is it. I'm gonna flip it. Pretty much this is gonna be our breakfast. This is nice. Nice. Go ahead. I'll put the tuna on. Turn this down. This is it. I'm gonna let it warm up. And of course, my sweet is with me. Yep. This is. Yep. Let it warm up, and then I'll put the egg once the tuna is warm up. This, and I'll put the egg on top, and then that'll be our breakfast. One for me, one for my son. So this is it. This is our breakfast. Egg and tuna sandwich. I got a piece of breakfast. That's right. It's the egg in here. Egg in here. I got one for you, baby. I'll cut yours in half. And got egg on this one. I cook 4 eggs, so yep. This is it. This is gonna be our breakfast, and my son is gonna have his with some warm milk. He loves his milk warm. He prefers warm milk. Yeah. I'm gonna have some hot tea. Hot tea. Got my tea here. It's done. So this is what we're having for breakfast. I'm making some creamy rice and lentils for our lunch. Something filling. While this is cooking, I'm gonna cut my peppers. Peppers doesn't take long to. My orange pepper. Yeah, it's like orange and yellow pepper. I'm gonna cut it and put it in here. It doesn't take long to cook. Let the carrot cook. Carrot is not gonna be as soft. It's okay. It's good. Healthy food. If you want to see me make this meal, let me know. I'll make this meal in the future, sometime in the future. Dada, love you, sweetheart. So this is it. I added my peppers to it, my sweet peppers to it. This is from my in-law garden, my husband's parents' garden. So yeah, I have the pork. I shredded the pork. So shredded it really small. So it's carrot, lentils in there, eggs, yeah, peppers. I'm gonna add some spinach, and that'll be our lunch. So this is it. Creamy rice and lentils. So creamy rice and lentils. There's carrot in there, peppers, like orange and yellow pepper. I got some spinach. I don't want to cook my spinach too much. So that's it. And also there's quinoa, a little bit of quinoa or quinoa. That's it. And shredded pork, and also this fried egg. I just need to make something fast, so I use my fried rice. I made fried rice, so I just use it to make this quick. This is it. It's quick, easy. It's quick and easy meal for our lunch and healthy. So this is what we're gonna have. I'm gonna turn it off. Actually, let it cook. cook a little bit more. My son likes his vegetable. He eats raw spinach. I think I'm going to turn it off. Soft. This is it. This is my plate. Just have some avocado, but half an avocado, so it's a small one. And then this, some of this delicious food I made. Rice and lentils, creamy rice and lentils. It's really good. So this is what I'm having for my lunch. My son is already eating his. So I'm gonna have some with some coconut water right here. My coconut water, it's only about a little under half. That's all I'm gonna drink. I'm gonna have it with my food right here. This is what's left. I'm gonna save it for my husband. He can have some for his dinner, and then the rest I probably give the kids some more. I'll probably give my son some tonight for dinner as well. But yeah, that's it. I need to cut this loafer right here. This loafer right here, I need to cut it. But this is it. This is our food. This box was given to me by my in-laws. I'm holding winter melon squash. They grow everything in their garden, all organically grown. I got okra. Bitter melon soup. Stuffed pork bitter melon soup is so delicious, so good, so filling, so healthy. Oh, please subscribe if you haven't, like, comment. Thank you. I got beef stir fry. Delicious as well. Behind the okra, I got the tomato. They wanted to give me more, that was enough. Loofah, the winter melon squash you guys saw already. I got cucumber and purple and green yard long beans.